now, but yeah, you can close your eyes and feel things around you, right?
So we just fucking packing heel here.
Right? But if you train it well enough, you start to see glimpses of the future. So it's like a second.
This man is on the talk, boy.
Kick him. Just kick him.
I'll kick him like Chris Way. I'll kick him like Chris Way.
Somebody dumped him.
What kind of business you on, boy?
That big league.
What kind of business you is doing?
Throat kicking business.
Throat kicking business.
Thank you, my good friend.
Why, boy?
No problem.
How profitable that is?
Extremely. Especially if you measure pleasure as the highest return in profit of one.
Pleasure is the highest, what?
The highest return on investment.
When you kick somebody throat? Okay. So where you learn to kick throat?
Right here.
Right here? Where is here?
Right here, like from you.
From me? You learn to kick people throat from me?
Yeah.
Okay. So would you classify me as an expert?
I would classify you as an expert motivator.
Alright.
Is that a life coach?
Yeah, life coach in the art of throat kicking.
Guys, beat this guy if you want to get kicked.
I you meet this man is up your throat kicking skills is sharp. Is identify where you need to kick.
Gives you the urge.
He's
Okay. So what's your money goals like, boy?
Money goals?
Yeah, boy.
Maybe like
For this month, boy.
3 throats a month.
Wow. No, I mean like in money, and crypto,
You know what we need for this?
and assets.
A freaking color. Like color card.
Oh, you mean a shot? Yeah, color
The
shot.
exact shade of peel.
No, well, as I was making it point, it's all relative. If you bunch these together, it'll actually look okay.
Friends and family.
But I want to
strangers.
just do something. If it's real floppy, I think.
You'll be safe.
So
So
do
if
you
I put
think
this in
there's a
front of
world
this,
like that
it will
that
look
exists?
A world?
Yeah.
If
Where everybody can
I
be
put this
safe?
up on sale, and still
Can't
can I
really
get
safe from everything, but you
It's
can
a
try.
box.
You can hedge yourself from certain levels of risk by accumulating wealth.
Okay.
Of course, then hedging yourself is great. New types of risk.
I can get food now.
What were some of the challenges, or what are some of the challenges you usually facing on a daily basis?
Time.
Time?
Yeah, time.
So is the solution to
No,
that
we need
problem?
two maps.
Time management.
Time
and
management.
finding ways to leverage other people so that
It's so big, but kind of not really enough.
you can put less time in and get more work done.
Okay, I understand.
It's always my interest.
Oh, what do you say?
That was the music.
The background music and stuff.
God, them lyrics speak to me.
So yeah, the background music and stuff.
It really hit you when it went through.
So that was the money.
We go too far with this.
Tune in tomorrow for more content.